I started back in 2010 when I moved to Chinoonik, the Nelson Island. Throughout my region, I didn't used to see anyone stretching any hides while I was growing up. So then getting a chance to experience that in a different region really opened up my minds and what I can create, how I can use those resources to better my artistic ability. Hi, my name is Golga Oscar. My Yupik name is Kasigluk, and I am from Kasigluk. My mother's from Kasigluk and my father is from Nelson Island. I was pretty much self-taught with everything. Everything that I taught myself is through self-observation. One of the things that I've learned while growing up, observation is a key in learning things. Is a key to getting to know, familiarize the placement, the stitches, and the length of it. While growing up, I didn't used to see anyone making mukluks or a fancy parka or a Kasigluk parka. And then being introduced to Nelson Island, when I started to see a lot of, Yupik attire, that's when I started to realize that this type of technique is missing in my family. My parents, during their childhood years, they had cloth parka, and that's the only parka they had when they were kids. And then for myself, seeing that, I wanted to have an opportunity to have my own fancy parka, being the first one in my family to, have something that my ancestors used to have back in those days. So then I really wanted to produce it, especially when it comes to Yupik culture. The Yupik defines us who we are. So then through that definition, that's what I really wanted to explore, is producing a full-on Yupik attire. I really take pride in my tribe. I really take pride in that name because that's who I am and that's where I come from. So being part of a Yupik tribe, I have a responsibility to be part of a tribe and also decolonize during this Western influences, When it comes to indigenous identity, when it comes to indigenous background, culture, my goal in indigenizing spaces is to letting the younger generation reclaim their identity, even the generation that came before me and that came after me. I want them to realize that indigenous identity is an important aspect of who we are, because that's what defines us, of where we come from. And using that indigenous identity, as you journey on, the more you use it, the more you realize that everything in your life has a solution. Everything in your life is occupied by the things that you're going to work on. You're destined to be here, There's a reason behind that. You're here to inspire, you're here to impact one another, you're here to help one another. This is my first year of teaching as a Yupik teacher for secondary education. And lately I've been focusing on the LKST curriculum along with the books that I've been reading that focus on Yupik culture. So within that knowledge that I gained within those books, I've been passing them down to the younger generation for them to use as they journey on, as they go forward with their life. So within that knowledge, my hopes for them is to pass it down to the next generation, to the generation, to a point where 20 years from now, 50 years from now, I feel like within my community, one day we'll fully regain our identity back.
Thank you.